At some point in life, every man gets tired of being average, tired of starting and stopping, tired of wasting potential, tired of watching other people become the person he wanted to become, and the worst feeling, knowing you could have done more, but didn't. Right now, somebody your age is building their dream body, building wealth, building discipline, building a future, while most people are scrolling their lives away. But listen carefully. Your life is not over. You are not too late, and you are not weak. You are simply distracted, and distraction has destroyed more dreams than failure ever will. People think they need motivation. No, they need direction, because motivation disappears the moment life becomes uncomfortable. Anybody can feel inspired for one day, but can you stay committed when nobody supports you, nobody notices you, and results are invisible? That is where real transformation begins. Most people quit because they expect instant results, but life rewards patience. A seed grows underground before the world ever sees the tree. And maybe your growth is happening silently right now. The biggest battle of your life is not outside, it is inside your own mind. Every day you are fighting laziness, distraction, fear, overthinking, comfort, and comfort is dangerous. Because comfort makes years disappear. One lazy day becomes a lazy month. One lazy month becomes a wasted year. That is why disciplined people look different. Not because life is easier for them, because they learn to act even when they don't feel like it. As James Clear wrote in Atomic Habits, every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. Read that again. Every action matters. Every small decision shapes your identity. Your life changes the moment you stop waiting. Stop waiting for perfect timing, motivation, confidence, validation. Start now, wake up earlier, train your body, read daily, learn valuable skills, protect your focus, keep promises to yourself. Because confidence is not built by thinking, it is built through proof. Every difficult thing you complete sends a message to your brain. I can trust myself. And slowly, you become mentally stronger. Not overnight, but daily. Remember this. Small improvements look invisible at first, but 1 year later, they create completely different lives. Listen, you have not missed your chance. Many people destroy themselves because they believe they are already behind. But life is not a race. Some people succeed at 20, some at 30, some at 40. The only people who truly fail are the ones who stop trying. Right now you still have time and energy, opportunity, and potential. That means your story is still being written. And maybe this version